Hey guys, Origami here. Today I'll be teaching you how to fold part 2 of my origami skull and crossbones. I posted the demo and part 1 a week ago, and today I'll be teaching you how to finish the model. So, without further ado, let's get started. So here we have the base. We're going to take this side, we're going to look from the top, and then let's fold this over like that. So now this flap is tucked inside and it should align with the middle of these flaps. Now we need to take these two flaps here and spread it apart like that. Then we flip it over like this and we fold these two flaps down and fold them back up again. So these are going to turn into the top crossbones here, and these two are going to turn into the bottom crossbones. So let's fold these down and then fold this down. So now we have the base fully constructed. So now we need to do the crossbones. So take these two flaps and push them together like this. Now fold this flap, this big chunk of flaps over, and let's work on this side. So right here, I kind of did a rabbit ear by folding it down and then rabbit earing it over here. So make two pre-creases by folding it to this crease over here on both sides, and then do the rabbit ear. Fold it on those two creases you just made and make a fold that goes from that point down to here. So you should have something like this. Now fold this up like that. Make sure this point hits this edge, this edge, and the fold originates from this point here, like that. And then now let's just pinch this flap, and at the end here, you want to fold it in along this point, make a straight fold down, and then reverse fold along these two creases. So just pinch a crease here diagonally and pinch a crease on this edge, and then take this edge, pinch along the crease we just made, pinch along that crease. Like that. So that's one crossbone part. Now let's do the same thing on this side. Fold it down, then perform a rabbit ear. And then fold it toward that side and fold it up on this point. Fold this point to this edge, like that. And then pinch it, fold this down, and reverse fold it here. So it should look something like this. Now we need to repeat the same thing on this edge, but it's just different a bit. just a bit different. So rabbit ear, fold up to this crease, and on this side too, and then bring the two sides together and create a crease here. Then I'm gonna rabbit ear again, fold it to the side here, pinch it and pinch it, and then here, flip it to this side now, fold it down, and then create another reverse fold here, like that. So the next set of bones should look like this. Now let's repeat on this side. So fold to this edge and repeat on this side, and then rabbit ear fold it like that, and then fold it to the side and pinch along the middle here, then fold it down. Make sure these edges line up over here, and then reverse fold. Like that. And then just bring it down there. So it should look something like this. Now we just have to do the skull. Okay, now we just need to sculpt the model. So first, let's fold this flap back around the 2/3 mark. So 1/3 is over here, then 2/3 is over here. Fold it along the 2/3 mark, and then fold it back behind the model, like that. And then we want to make a fold coming from around the 2/3 mark of this square here, and has to go all the way to here. So it should be like this. Just pinch it. Same thing here. Now bring the two sides together on those creases, and you should see the skull. Kind of, at least. You see the forehead of the skull. Like that. Now, to make the eyes, you want to make a crease coming from this point that extends to somewhere along the line, the imaginary line that runs through these 2 points. So, but make it curved, so like that. And then, after it's kind of curved, crimp it down. Same thing on this side. Take the fold and crimp it down like that. Then partially unfold it. Then round off the eyelets here. So it should look something like this. Now, just need to open these 2 flaps up. There should be 4 flaps. So take the first flap here, and then take the first flap of the first flap. Then just fold it down. And the same thing on this side. Just kind of fold it down along the 1/3 point. be careful not to rip to this point here. And same thing on this side. Like that. And then just take the innermost two flaps here and just pinch it. It's best to get a paper clip to hold it together and let the model take its shape, but you can also do it with your hands. It will take a while. So now, just need to sculpt it, add finishing touches onto it. So I like it when you fold back this flap here. So it's like, it has an octagonal shape. So to do that on the bottom here, just flatten this part out a bit, then fold it back like that. And then look on this side, and then make the crease align with this edge. So it should look like this. Now you just need to keep sculpting it until it looks something like this. Make the eyelids more round and neater. And be sure to use a paper clip to hold these two inner flaps here together, and then it should look like the mouth of the skeleton. Skull crossbones, So yeah, that was part 2 of the skull and crossbones. Hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed folding it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe down below. See you guys later.